Hey guys, this is Dimitri. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be working with ASP.NET Core applications. Okay, so basically we're gonna be changing text and fonts and colors, trying to align this to the left so it makes like the application look better. Okay, so we're not gonna make the application super pretty because that may take so much time. I'm just gonna show you the basics. So I'm working on MVC architecture, and so I have this index view, which is this one. Welcome to bank Q1. Welcome to bank Q1. All right. So let's start changing this paragraph. I make this. I want to make this bigger, and I want to kind of align it to the left. So if I scroll down to the paragraph, we can start adding classes here. Let's try to align this to the left. So there's this class. Let's just hit Control S. So make sure the application is running. Let's just go back, refresh, and now it's aligned to the left. Okay, now let's try to change the colors. So to change the colors, we're gonna use style, color, and I don't know, let's try to use a brown color. Same thing, just Control S to save, F5. Now it changed. So that's pretty much everything we wanted to do with this paragraph. Now let's try to make this bigger, okay? Um, let's just go back to the application and let's keep working on the classes. So make sure you are inside the quotation marks. You can start like adding classes here. You can add more than one, but you have to be inside these quotation marks. Okay, so let's try to do this bold. So we got bolded now, and let's just try to add a different class called list inline. Let's hit Control S. Let's go back to the application, F5, and that's perfect. So let's just try let's just try to increase the size. We could use this H2, for example. Control S. Let's just go back here, F5, and I feel like it's so big. So let's just try to reduce it. Let's just use H3, Control S. Let's go back, hit F5, and yeah, that'll be perfect. We're gonna try to use the same classes that we just used here in this paragraph for this list. So we can just scroll down. We got the list here. Let's just add a div so we can work in a better way, okay, with the list. So we got the div here, and we got this UL, which is gonna display this list, okay, bonds, options, and stocks. And we can start adding classes here, okay. Same thing, we're gonna use basically the same methodology that we just used with the paragraph. So class, let's just try to put this one list inline. Let's just try to make this bolded. So we're gonna use something like this, and let's try to change the size as well. So let's try to make this H3. Okay. um, let's try to change the color as well. So for color, we use style, color, and I don't know, let's try to use something orange, like a dark orange, and it should work. So let's Control S. Let's hit Control S and go back to the application. Let's hit F5, and there you go. You have this, but we want to put this against this, kind of align it with this paragraph to the left. So we're missing one class here. So if you remember, the class was uh, text. Okay, so let's just do it here. Text in, sorry, left, and let's hit Control S, F5, and now you can see that it goes against it goes aligned to the left with this paragraph. But we want to make this title a little bit bigger and to align it to the left as well. So let's just go back here and let's use the same class. Okay, so text left, and let's change the color as well. So style, let's use a brown color. So color brown, saddle brown. Okay, and it should work now. Let's just hit Control S, F5, and that is perfect. But I want to make this bigger because it's kind of a subtitle. Okay, so let's just go with maybe H2. Okay, Control S, F5, and yeah, that's perfect. So let's just try to add like a couple of spaces here in between. So let's just do it the easy way. So just gonna add a break here and another break here. Control S, F5, and there you go. You have the space over here. Okay, so the application doesn't look so good right now, but that was the whole idea of this tutorial. Like, try to move this and align this and change the colors. So let's just try to change this color because I don't like it so much. We just go back to the code. This is a paragraph, right? So we go to the paragraph tag, change the color here. So let's just use sandy brown, for example. Control S, F5, and maybe it looks a little better. So we're just gonna leave it like that. Okay, so I hope you guys like the video and learn how to manage with this type of things on ASP.NET Core on the views. Hope you guys like the video and have a good day. Bye bye.